night air.
I'm chasing a whiskey sunrise, watching troubles fade before my eyes. It's a little bit of smoke, a little bit of sweet, where the hard times and the heaven meet.
Whiskey sunrise,
Burning low,
healing places you don't show.
one more sip before the day begins. Wash away my sins.
Whiskey sunrise. There's a thin line between drowning and floating, between keeping quiet and finally noting that the bottle ain't the answer. It's just a friend who sits with you until the darkness ends. And when the morning breaks the spell,
I'll be ready, I'll be well. I'm chasing